They're gonna bring us water.
How are you doing?
Doing good. We tried to make reservations online. Cold and windy day here in Minnesota, and we're going to do a restaurant review. Is it Pizza Man? Are we gonna do a restaurant review of Pizza Man? No. The Grill Hall. We are going to go into a Brazil. Oh God, it smells so good here. This isn't gonna suck. Let's go inside.
Back to red when you need a break. I'll go get you some new ones here. I'll be right back with that.
Wow. Pickles. That looks delicious. All right, from the salad bar, I got some beets, a mushroom, one pickle, some roasted garlic, asparagus, Caesar salad, one Furious IPA, and a tomato basil soup. Salad bar was amazing. Really liked the soup. The garlic, the pickle was good. We're gonna turn this bitch green. My first choices were bottom sirloin. It looked good, but unfortunately I got a pretty overdone piece. First world problems, I know. And then the sausage came. That's good.
Sorry.
The water is cold and icy. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the chicken's not quite cooked all the way through. Again, first world problems. I'm still eating my overdone sirloin. We'll see as things progress. The bacon wrapped steak, medium rare and delicious. Just don't like the chicken that way. If you eat medium rare chicken, you can choke. All right, I just tried the beef rib. It is so rich. I think there's $1 million in my pocket right now.
You're just happy to see me.
The picanha just came. It tastes good, but again, way overdone. I didn't get a video of it because I ate it so damn fast, but as you can see,
Big beef top sirloin? Yes, please.
I did get something medium rare. This piece of top sirloin looks promising. And now we've got dipping sauces. A little real-time observation is the sausage comes out about every 3 to 5 minutes. And no beef tenderloin, no New York steak, no lamb chops. It's sausage, sausage, sausage.
about the sausage?
All right, this is real. She finally got some filet mignon that came, and this is the piece. Enjoy it. These peppery dipping sauces are amazing. Oops. Especially the spicy one. We did get a little redemption here. Kimberly Ann did get a piece of filet that wasn't like a rock. I took a bite of mine already. It was like butter. All right, here's what I've been waiting for. The lamb chop. Woo! I'm not sure I like the extra 4% charge for using the credit card. I'm going to ask about that in the future. Because I've got cash. We got Flash some filet mignon. Anyway, that set us back $150. The beer was $8.50. The service was so-so. The meats mostly were overdone for the most part. And at times they just bring around these plates of just kind of these pieces that were all overdone and like nobody's gonna want.
I thought it was leftovers from other people's plates.
It looked like it. So, you know, for the money, you know, I'd say that was about average at best. I'm in no hurry to go back to, maybe they're just having a bad night, but yeah, no reason to rush here. No. But the dog's gonna like his treat.